Very good morning to all of you. Now I am Alpna going to discuss the part 2nd of chapter number 5, The Adventures of Little Al of class 4. Okay, so children, earlier I have already discussed about what Edition's life is about. Okay, how he was and what his mother decided for his life and so. Now from here I will begin that Edison set up a small laboratory at 10 years. Okay, he had set up a small laboratory at the home only. He had collected around 200 bottles of chemicals and arranged them carefully on the shelves of his cellar lab. Okay, he had already made the home as a laboratory and he had collected varieties of chemicals for his chemical reaction. Okay, he labeled them as poison. He had already labeled all the chemicals as poison. Experiments consumed his pocket money rapidly. So what happened that while he was doing the experiment, all the money was consumed, that is used. And so he started working as a newsboy. What he did? He started selling newspaper. Okay, he was selling periodicals in the local trade in order to pursue knowledge. What happened? He used to sell periodicals, means the Saptaiki, it is a periodical. So he used to sell periodicals in the train for knowledge, in order to gain knowledge and in order to earn money. So he had set his laboratory in the train. What happened? While he was selling the newspaper, he had already set the laboratory in the train. That is a cellar in the train where there was a storage room. Okay, cellar means the underground room for storing things, materials. Okay, so he had already set up a laboratory in the train where he was selling the newspaper. But one day an accident happened. One day what happened? An accident happened and a stick of phosphorus fell into the floor. What happened? That he had already kept many of the chemicals in the shelf, because he had already prepared a laboratory there. What happened? The phosphorus fell into the ground, and it happened what? That when the phosphorus fell into the floor and then it burst into flame. What happened? It burst into flame. The compartment was on fire. The compartment got fire. Edison was thrown out of the train. Edison was thrown out of the train because he had already done an accident in the train, and it was all responsibility of Edison what had happened in that train. So the train moved off, leaving him on the platform with tearful eyes and his broken articles. What happened? The driver thrown him from the train and he was left in the platform. Okay. Now I would like to explain the later part. Okay, what happened after the accident? What happened? The furious train conductor boxed Edison. Okay, the furious train conductor boxed Edison in the ear. That means beside the head. Okay, that will hit on the side of the head with the hand as punishment. He was punished because he had conducted an accident in the train, and for that the train's conductor, he boxed him, and in turn what happened? He started growing deaf. Lastly what happened? That he was not able to listen. But he did not consider it as a handicap. He did not consider this deafness as a handicap. That means he was not considering himself as a disabled person. He was overcoming all these bad things which had happened in his life. He said it helped him to concentrate in his work or shutting out the distracting sounds while he is conducting an experiment. That means he was very much confident in himself that even if he was deaf, he can now more concentrate in his work. He can more overcome the sounds which he would be facing while he is conducting an experiment, while he is working in the laboratory. He was such a passionate person that he didn't consider him as a bad person or having any disability. He also worked as a telegraph operator. He had once saved a child of a station agent, and this station agent has, as a reward, he taught him the art of telegraphy and made him an operator. That means Edison was such a person that he is always been a helping one, and in turn he had been rewarded for that. He had once helped one station agent, and as a reward he taught him the art of telegraphy and made him an operator. You see, he didn't want any reward as a money or a prize or something else, but he need the education which can easily make his fame in the life. Edison set up a factory of invention. Okay, Edison had in the later period of the life had set up a factory of invention. He worked very hard for about 18 hours in 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours in 18 hours he engaged himself in the work in his factory. Once a great fire destroyed many of his factory buildings. You know what happened once? There was a fire in the factory and this destroyed many of the buildings in his factory. His answer to the flames was that we will begin rebuilding tomorrow. That means he never faced any dissatisfaction. He was satisfied that okay, maybe today the building is destroyed but tomorrow we will again rebuild it. This was his passion. The most valuable of his inventions, mind you, the most valuable of his inventions are electric light, the phonograph and the sound recorder. Okay, now the moving picture was also his invention here. What happened that the electric light became the general use for the life of the people. Today the people are using it in everyday life. Okay, and the phonograph or the sound recorder had made us possible to listen the music. Okay, so this chapter ends here, but the moral we get is that we should be laborious, always we should be a hard worker, and we should be passionate and never underestimate ourselves. Even if we are having some disability, we didn't underestimate ourselves. Okay, we should have a passion that yes, we can do it, and whatever there is a determination in the life, we can achieve the goal if we will be well determined in the life. Okay, so here I end, and I hope you will go to the chapter, you will read the meanings given. Thank you and have a nice day.